200 km, and today I'm gonna show you my baby chicks. So you should come this way. Everyone, they're really scared of me because I'm holding a stick. You go away. Go away. Go away. That rooster is a bloody annoying freak. Yeah. Show my baby chickens. Can you see properly? Oh, they're so cutie. How cute they are. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. And so yeah, man. And I would love it. You. And look at my mango tree. Do you know the one I showed you before? Yeah, the leaves are growing. Okay. Yeah, man. It's so crazy, man. My backyard changed a lot. Not much. And I'll show you my kitchen at least, because my thongs, my sheep, Swim always says that. Oh, a dead bird! I swear all the way at school we find dead birds and everything, man. So yeah, it's my laundry, my kitchen. Alright guys, please like, please subscribe, and peace. There's no one in the house, I'm by myself. Alright, please like, subscribe,